Hello everyone and welcome back to Introduction to OPCloud. In this session we're going to continue modeling our OnStar system and showing more features of OPCloud, how to use inside objects, inside Inzoomed, and other features. Last time we stopped when we created call making and connected to the OnStar console. The subprocess call making is creating a call. Once we created a call, we are doing and creating and modeling the object called call. So, first of all, we want to show who is doing the call. We need to connect the driver as the agent of call making. And now let's create the result call. In order to add a new object, we need to add it inside the driver rescuing Inzoomed process. I'm dragging from the upper toolbar, the main toolbar, a new object and leaving it inside the Inzoomed process. As you can see, it is created and open. I will change its name to call and update it. As you know, call is informatical, meaning I do not want the analog version of the call, I just want to know the call itself. So I will change its essence. As you can see, it's already selected. So I will go into the secondary toolbar, into the Change Essence button, and click on it. As you can see, now the call is changed to being informatical. This is also reflected in the OPL. When I'm hovering on an object, that OPL related is highlighted. The same goes vice versa. When I'm hovering on an OPL, the thing in the OPD will be highlighted. Now, I will show you what it means to be an inside object. If I select the object and will try to remove it, drag it outside, you will see that it will expand the inside of the process or the object if it was an inzoomed object. This means I cannot take it outside. It's an inside object. It's a temporary object. It only lives in the scope of the inzoomed process. If I would have created it outside and wanted to put it inside, I would have either deleted and recreated or going to the draggable thing, select it, and copied it inside the inzoomed process. A thing cannot be both inside or outside in the same time. Now, let's connect it with a link. Call making yields a call. So now I'm connecting it. As you can see, we have it ready. The next thing that happens is two things. Now let's continue with our model. We'll change the name of the C processing into call transmitting. The call transmitting is affecting by the call. The next thing that we're going to use is the vehicle location calculating, which is the next process. Let's see which object is used for each process. We know that the cellular network is used for call transmitting, and we know that in order to have our location calculated, we need a GPS. Now let's arrange our diagram nicely. We will change the order of the object, just like that. And here we have a very nice OPD. As the call transmitting and the vehicle location calculating is done on the same time, we should put them on the same level, which represent in OPM doing things simultaneously inside and in Zoom. Here you can see that I'm arranging them on the same level, and the OPL in the OPL pane, as you can see them, is reflecting that driver rescuing is composed of call making and then into parallel call transmitting and vehicle location calculating. Now the vehicle location is missing as an object. So we'll take another object and add the name vehicle location. As you can see, the capital letter by the auto format is done automatically. We'll change the essence and connect it with the link. On our next sessions, we'll see how we're using the more advanced options with states and so on.